on the way here we was on the Pride of Bruges, and on the way home we're on the Pride of York. Right, let's go check in. So we have to check in again, get our room. So on this one, when you come in, you actually go and get a key to the room, whereas on the ones to Amsterdam, you just go and get a paper key, don't you?
Yeah.
On this, you get an actual key. Oh, it's raining.
Hello.
Hi.
Having a key over there, thanks.
Thank you. So yeah, so we're over here. It looks to be the same as the other one. I'll show you around later, but as you can see, look, the rooms are there. It's the same, yeah. So the cabins are set out the same. Street key going down, Pete. You see these ones here, I think, I've never been in, but I think they're the double bedded ones, the upgrade rooms, which you don't really need. It's going up that side, so maybe we want to be right a bit. Okay, so we've come across it, the door was already open, so that was nice. So this is the room, a bit bigger than the one to Amsterdam, and you have room round there as well. So as you come in, as you can see, you've got your bed there, the other bed there which folds out, and then you have the bathroom which is also a bit bigger. You've got a lot more room there, and a sink. So yeah, bigger room, isn't it, Pete?
Yeah.
Bit bigger than the Amsterdam ones.
Oh yeah.
And the Amsterdam ones, I think, like the wall runs across there, and you don't get that corner space there either. Right, let's get settled in. Okay, so we're going to go on a walk through. We're on floor 4, which is the lowest one. You literally have, what is it, 4, 5 and 6 in it. Whereas half of the ferry is just this. The other half is shops and entertainment, so all this half of the ferry and 4, 5 and 6 is just rooms. So I'll show you the other half of 4, 5 and 6. You can just lock in the room. So when we get to that part I'll show you. This is just rooms at the minute. Okay, so on floor 4 where we're staying, you have just that's where you can pay for food and that. And in the corner is the kitchen that I've shown you. That's where we've just been. In that corner is your kitchen. That's where you pay for your meal beforehand or online. You can eat unlimited buffet and drinks. So let's go up to floor 5. So deck 4 is really just for your restaurant and your kitchen. So floor 5 again, that side is just all your rooms. In here is your duty free. We'll just quick walk through, Pete. We'll come back and have a look. Buy something later. So you've got your big, whereas if you see on that Amsterdam ferry it's all split up, isn't it? Here there is one shop and that's it. Chocolate fags crisps, chocolate fag beer. Out of here, on that side is a little bar area. This side is where you get your coffee. Starbucks coffee as well, it's quite nice. Just walk through.
Mesdames et messieurs, votre attention s'il vous plaît, voici un avis de sécurité. Nous voudrions attirer votre attention sur les mesures de sécurité.
Now you're coming into the bar. What we'll do, Pete, is we'll go outside and go upstairs to floor 6. Yeah? So this is the bar on floor 5. As you see there, casino is this way.
et un autre plus long. En entendant cette alarme, vous êtes prié de mettre des vêtements bien chauds.
There's your casino. Some arcades. As on the other ferry, the casino is a lot bigger. Here's your show bar.
Les membres de l'équipage seront aussi aux escaliers pour diriger. Le point de rassemblement est indiqué par 4 flèches avec un numéro.
And on the other ferry, the Amsterdam ferry, you can actually, there's 2 floors at Amsterdam and then you can see down on it. But on this it's just your one. Then there's a ceiling. Right, now outside. Instead of going on the doors up to the next level, we'll go out the steps outside. So this is floor 5. Still in Zeebrugge. Upstairs to floor 6.
Du point de rassemblement, on vous guidera vers votre point d'évacuation. Gardez votre sang-froid, ne courez pas et suivez les instructions données par les membres de l'équipage.
As you can see, the next level is shut. So let's go into floor 6, wherever it is that it? No, ah, there it is. No? Crew only. There it is, isn't it, Pete? What's that? No?
No, crew only.
Oh no. We've got to walk up there. Ah, I remember. It's where the fag door is, isn't it? Yeah, you come out for a fag, it's on the side up here. Up here, there should be another bar, a piano bar, with some more arcades. I think this is it. Yep.
Okay, that's downstairs.
That's the way downstairs. Ah, there, where they've just come out, up there. Oh, the floor's a bit wet. And the captain's just been on as well, hasn't he, Pete, saying there's going to be some force wind gales, 7 or 8. So it's going to be a bumpy journey home, which is great news. Be like a roller coaster. Eh?
On the side.
Yeah, I think they call them tugboats, don't they? Or pugboats, something like that. Okay. So we've come up on 6 again.
You've got the thing in here.
I don't think. Oh yeah, again, there's rooms over that way. Another couple of arcade machines. So on floor 4 is your restaurants, floor 5 is casino and show bar, and floor 6 is the lounge. A couple of arcades. You can see there's just a lounge bar. And that's it really, isn't it? That's it really, Pete. You see the piano in the middle? There's a Wi-Fi place. And that's it really. That's your bar. There's a piano right in the middle there. And another bar. This is a bit quieter than downstairs. Just have a guy playing a piano. And that's it. That's the pride of Yorkshire. Right. Let's have a walk around now and buy some stuff. The pride of York. There's a massive trip coming up in February on the channel where we visit Thailand, Vietnam and Cambodia. And it's going to be amazing. It's all booked, everything. It's happening for a full month. So I hope you enjoyed the Bruges trip. And I'll see you all soon. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. And from Pete.
Bye.